Hey, what's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration. Got a 1994 Honda Accord station wagon. This is the one that came in. It was gold in color when it came in. It didn't have the rims on it. It had the black steel wheels on it. Customer brought it in because he wanted to change the color, but he also had body damage on it. This quarter panel right here on this side, the driver's side, was hit in real bad. And if you go on facebook.com/John's Restoration, you'll see the before pictures of how the car used to look. This was the quarter panel that was repaired. Got a light touch of the silver and gold ice in it, just to give it the little metallic look, not too much. The customer went and purchased some brand new 20-inch rims. We did under the hatch, under the hood, and all four of the door jambs also. As you can see, the jambs is done as well. '94 Honda Accord wagon. This is another one brought to you by John's Restoration in Virginia Beach, Virginia. 757-713-2277. Give us a call if you need a paint job, body work, custom paint job, back to factory, interior work, stereo work. We even can order you a set of rims and tires. Even though the customer brought these elsewhere, we can also order rims and tires if needed. And we definitely do the custom stereo aspect of it also. And as y'all can see, we definitely do the auto body and paint. So definitely give us a call if you need something done. Once again, the phone number is 757-713-2277. Have a good day.